our white wedding, which is meant to be on the 15th of August, actually getting cancelled or postponed. It is Sunday today and we are off to view a wedding reception venue. George is a little bit stressed because we're running late.
I need my phone.
He doesn't have internet on his phone. Oh, do you want the phone right now? Use mine to order the Uber.
Oh, well, how? Because I still have to log in and all that.
Just order it with my account.
But you don't even have Uber installed.
I do! Somebody's stressed. Anyways, we're going to view a reception venue. I'm going to take you guys along with me today. Hopefully we'll be allowed to film in there. But yes, it's the first venue we're actually seeing, so I'm actually very excited. Very excited for that.
Dump in the jump. Top when I speak, all cap with the speech till they caught up in the rapture. I'm so out of line with the phrase game. Let's take a break, been a long day. Hit your line, what you fall through with the light.
Yes, it looks so nice.
The grass is real.
I actually really like the space. It's just the right size. Like, just right. You know when something hits home, it's just right. Are you making a video?
Yeah, the just right video.
It's just right. I'm using a new camera and I'm still trying to figure out the settings, but it's 6 months from my wedding, give or take, and I think almost everything are like set in motion. So we have venue sorted out, photographer, cake, outfits are like ongoing, you know, like the checklist that you have to go through one at a time. We have sort of done like the major, most expensive ones, but I thought it would be fun to document, I don't know, the next couple of months. So today I'm going to be having my bridal makeup trial. It's the first trial. I just want to figure out like the skin, the eyes, the lip, the kind of look that I'm going for. I want to look like myself, but better. This is what we're working with today. Lots of palettes. Oh, she actually just opened.
Don't judge. This is limited. This is limited.
Wow. All of this belongs to one human being.
Let's not judge people.
This is Sana. I think you guys have seen her before. Oh, how beautiful is Sana in this top? You've already sold one today.
I have.
You sexy diva.
Was it a success or was it a success?
It was amazing. She'll be the one doing my makeup today. We're going to test run some things. Foundation there. This camera does not just want to focus. There we go. Foundation, concealer, powder, all Huda. Huge Huda fan. Lots of gorgeous palettes.
I'll just show you this one. I love this one.
Whoa, that's a lot of colour. Is that the James Charles one?
That is.
I'm not even like a die-hard fan.
Okay, what about this one? What about this one, guys?
Oh,
Super
that is
pigmented.
nice.
It's
I
super
like
pigmented.
the neutrals.
Yeah, so we're going to go for the neutrals.
Because that's like the look we're going for.
Mi corazón is on my sleeve shoulder. Wrist thing and they rose gold and right to go from it. Couldn't pinpoint on the globe, that's why I wanted to go from it. Just know that I don't fit in, but I wanna feel everything, yeah, everything, yeah. Everything, yeah, everything, yeah. Everything, yeah, everything, yeah.
So it's the following day. The makeup trial went really well yesterday. I didn't want to show the finished outcome because it ruins the whole surprise for the actual wedding day. So George and I are ready.
Hello.
Hi. How
We're
are
ready
you?
to go.
Are you ready to have food? We're going for the meal tasting today. I never know if I should look there or at myself. It's always very confusing
I have
with the
no
phone.
idea. I just look at myself because that's where I see myself.
So
Otherwise I'll be looking right in the eye of the beholder.
are you looking in the eye of the camera? Okay, enough with the eye and the beholder. But yeah, we're going to try out some meals at the venue and we'll show you guys what we try when we can and just enjoy ourselves, because for me it's like going to have dinner with the husband. Okay, let's go. So this is the first look at the invitation card sample. We went for green and gold. I think the first thing off the bat is the shades of gold are slightly different. So good thing we had the samples come in. But I really like the shine that it has in the front. But I think we'll make some changes. And then see if we can fix things that we don't really like about these. But this is looking really cute. Here we are. It looks really pretty at night even. Did we just like go in? Oh, I smell food. Wow. Looks like a big old English house.
Getting the other camera now.
Which one? Chill at the bar.
You can.
It's like bougie.
You want, right? Like you want fresh pickle.
Well,
Wow. Looks nice on the side.
a bowl of sugar just waiting to happen. That's the other one. Wow.
Flour.
An apple.
Apple, yes.
Good morning. Today is the 7th.
Saturday!
It's our anniversary today. Like, when we started dating, I think.
Yeah.
When we started dating. So today, like the 7th of March, is like our special day. So we are actually heading into London. We're going to do some shopping, have some food. We also just had like a very serious conversation about the possibility of our white wedding, which is meant to be on the 15th of August, actually getting cancelled or postponed because of the whole corona situation. I think for me it's just difficult to come to terms with, because we spaced out the traditional wedding from the white wedding because we wanted to save up for the white wedding. We don't want to take any loans, ask anyone for money. We wanted to do it like with our own savings. So we've come here now. We are now deciding, oh, should we wait? Should we tell our family? Should we tell our friends? It's a very uncomfortable place to be, and we don't want a situation whereby we tell people, okay, you know what, come, and then maybe the UK puts a ban on certain countries because of the outbreak. It's just weird. It's just very weird, but we kind of need to decide. But so we've given ourselves some time just to like think it over, talk to our family, and just come up with a plan if we are going to, you know, tell people to not buy tickets yet, not make hotel reservations yet, because we don't want them to make all these plans and then lose their money. So that's just, you know, how my 5th anniversary with my husband has come to sort of play out. It's a day of like mixed emotions for me, but I'm going to check out Reese because they're known for making really nice suits. So we're going to go there, and then I'm going to drop by Brushfield Street, which is where I'm going to be having a concept store from the 13th to the 19th of March. I'm just going to like go there, say hi to the organizers, and I'll show you guys what the space actually looks like. So hopefully that lifts up my mood today, because I've just been feeling very with the whole corona thing.
We'll lift it up, don't worry. We'll lift it up.
So we just stepped out of Reese. We are heading to the you actually found something that you liked, which is a rare occasion. But we're heading to 37 Brushfield Street, which is where the concept store is. I'm going to take a look, talk to some of the organizers and show you my name on the wall. My name is on the wall. Yeah.
You can't go in, right?
Oh yeah, you can go in. I think the entrance is on the other side.
Oh, it is.
Yeah. Oh, we found it. Here. There.
Camera.
So we just left the store right behind us over there. Such an amazing location. I did some shopping, which I really shouldn't have done. Oh, watch it! Someone behind you. I did some shopping. I can't wait to wear the top because I have wanted it for the longest time. Yeah, I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. Hope you guys enjoyed watching. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Come check me out if you see this video before the 13th of March and try on the pieces. We can have a chat, maybe shop if you like anything. And yeah, see you next time.
You also